right, welcome back into the AI Copy Lab, folks. Thanks for joining me. Hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. What we're going to do this time is rewrite your sales page section by section, because what you don't want to do is just paste it all in there. Let's say you have a sales page and either you're not happy with it or it's not performing the way you thought, and you're just wanting to just redo the whole thing. So ChatGPT can help you do that, or whatever language model you want to use. There's a bunch of them out there now. I'm sticking with ChatGPT for now, for our purposes here. So I'm going to go into a sales page that I put out last year to sell one of my courses, one of my copywriting courses. And actually, I haven't really launched it full throttle just yet. So this is what the page looks like. But I want to have ChatGPT just rewrite one section of it. You may not want to rewrite it completely. Otherwise, you won't know if, what's working and what's not on your page. So you may want to go step by step and put it back out there, run some ads, and see if that helps, the part that you rewrote. So I'm going to have this part rewritten by ChatGPT, and all I did was copy this and pasted it, and I already did it. So I said, rewrite this section of my sales page so it's more compelling, persuasive, and fun to read. Okay, so this is the copy that I put in. And this is what it came up with. And it's pretty good. It says, are you tired of sifting through countless marketing programs? Unlike the one-size-fits-all approach, I'm here to reveal the secret sauce to success, tailored precisely for your niche. And then it's got a picture this section here, where it talks about my 23-lesson course. And then it talks about being ready for the transformation. So basically, it gives me some really nice stuff to work with. Okay. And what I'll do next is paste this text into a Google Doc, and I will rewrite this so that it is mine. I don't want to put this right back in without tweaking it a little bit to make it my own. And you're going to want to do that yourself as well. That's something we always try to do in the lab, where we go and redo copy that ChatGPT puts out to humanize it. And I will be doing that in upcoming videos. So make sure that you tune into future videos so that I can help you do that, rewrite what you already have. So what we want to do, have your sales page get rewritten section by section. So just copy some of it, paste it into ChatGPT, tell it to rewrite it, and then go back into a Google Doc and put your own spin on it. All right. So that's it for this video, the AI Copy Lab. Make sure you watch more videos because there's so many in here. I don't want you to miss any. And I'll see you next time.